Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about how to change the salt in the water softener and also to check if there are any issues with the water softener that the water flow in the house is very low. We'll be talking about that. So let's look at here the water flow. Let's see the water flow. It looks like normal, but I have noticed at different points of time that the water flow is very slow and very bad. So this might be an issue with the filters in the water softener, but I have changed it not too long ago. The water filters in the softener need to be changed every 6 months, and the other issue might be with regards to the salt tank in the water softener. So let's take a look in our salt tank. This is the Aquasure water softener and the complete house water filtration system, and this is basically the salt box. So let's take a look in the salt box. So as you can see here, it is filled with a lot of water, and this proves that this is saline water. It needs to be removed. It is completely dissolved with salt. We need to remove this water and replace the salt, and you can basically buy this Morton Pure Nature water softener pellets, and you can also remove the water pellets which are currently in the water tank. This will definitely improve the water flow to the house. So this is one of the troubleshooting techniques. So this is the water filter which I actually changed recently. You can watch a video on my channel regarding that as well. So let's do it. First of all, turn the water supply off. So whenever this is in line with the pipe, it means it is on. Whenever it is perpendicular, it means that the water supply is off. Now you need to put this one in bypass. So that means here it is saying that this is like off. So you need to press this here, and this one you need to press this over here. So this is in bypass mode. Now whenever you need to switch it on, this one needs to be pushed to the right and this one needs to be pushed into the anti-clockwise direction. So this one anti-clockwise and this one also anti-clockwise, so that it is not in the bypass mode again. So this is what the bypass now looks like. This is switched off the water supply. Now we can take a look at the salt tank. When you take this water out, make sure that you do not drain this water in your lawn with grass or on the cement in the garage, because this will spoil whatever it touch. So I am going to use the spoon, and this is the bucket. I don't have other equipment with me right now. It's difficult to film with one hand and remove this water. So this is how I am going to do it. We'll meet after I completely remove this water. I have removed the majority portion of the water. As you can see, this is saline water. Now what I am going to do is I am going to remove this salt. I am not going to use it. There is a reason behind it. If you remove the top loose portion of the salt, I might find that the bottom salt has hardened and formed a salt bed. In order for the water softener to function properly, the hardened salt needs to be removed. It has to be broken and it has to be removed. So that's the reason I'm going to remove the top layer of the salt first, and then check whether there is hardened salt at the bottom. Break it, remove it as well, and then I'm gonna add the fresh salt. So this is how I'm gonna remove the loosened salt pellets. I can also use a mug here. I have removed the salt completely from the salt tank. Now what you can do is you can also clean it with a cleaning solution. I'm not gonna do that now. And this is basically the line from where the water is taken and it has a little cap. You can check if the connections are proper over here. Everything looks fine. You can also add some half a gallon of hot water over here, but I'm not gonna do that. So this is how you close the cap. Now once this is done, I'm gonna add this salt into here, and then we are going to regenerate. Now please remember, after you are putting in the salt, before you can regenerate, you need to put the water supply on, and you need to put the service option on. That means currently the softener is in the bypass mode. We need to put it into the service mode. Remember that. I'm gonna put this salt into the salt tank. I have put the salt into the salt tank. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to put this into the service option. So this is anti-clockwise. That means this is in line with the pipe, and this is also anti-clockwise. Okay, in line with the pipe. Okay, now this is completely on. The bypass mode is off. Now it is in the service option. Now this is how you are going to give the water supply. And now in this, as you can see, this is the regenerate or the recycle option. You need to hold this. After pressing this recycle or regenerate button for 3 to 5 seconds, I could see BW. This is Koto BW. So this means that you can release the button now, and this is how the manual regeneration has started. And this basically completes our salt tank cleaning. And I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, then please like, share and subscribe. This is about the Aquasure water softener.